Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I just decided to film a quick makeup tutorial, everyday makeup look, while doing the voiceover, answering the questions that you guys asked from the Q&A on my social media. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so I went ahead and filled my eyebrows in off camera, and now we're just gonna go in with the Photo Finish Smashbox Primer to go ahead and prime your face before applying your foundation. Okay, so now you just go ahead and apply the primer. You should be using a dime size amount, but I just, overdo it just a little. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go in with the Sephora brand foundation in the shade Foncé Deep, which is also number 57. Alright, guys, so while we're applying the foundation, we're just gonna go ahead and get started with the Q&A. I have about probably 10 questions. So the first question was, how long did it take you to learn how to do makeup, and which products are your favorite to use? I'd say it took me about a year or more to learn how to get my foundation and my makeup to my liking. So yeah, probably about a year and a half because eyebrows took the longest. And then I have about three favorite products or favorite things that I like to use. One, which is the foundation that you see me using here. I've been using this since I started doing makeup. The second thing would be the NYX Butter Gloss. I think the one that I use is Creme Brulee. And then the last thing would be LA Girl Pro Concealers. I love their concealers. The consistency is amazing. So question number 2 is, what is your favorite place you've ever traveled to? I would definitely have to say Bahamas, hands down. The food was bomb. Jerk chicken, fire. And the water was clear. Like, it was amazing. Everything was all around amazing. The resort we stayed at was nice. I would definitely have to say Bahamas. The food is a plus for me, so. We're just going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. You're going to put that under your eyes, down the bridge of your nose, forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. Third question is, what's another career you think you would do great in besides medical? I would probably say teaching / education, anything in that kind of field. I feel like I would enjoy and do great in. I love kids, especially my niece and my nephew. Yeah, anything in that field I think I would do good in. I used to always play fake school with my little sister when I was younger, and it was mad fun. But of course, if not anything in the education, or if I'm not doing medical, probably something in the beauty world. Now we're just going to go in with a blending brush, and then I'll Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I love this spray. Spray it for everything. Literally amazing. So we're going to get into the next question, which is number 4. And the question is, what is your name? How old are you, and are you in school? My name is Shayana, for most of you guys who don't know, but everybody really calls me Shay. I'm 19 years old, and I attend college. I go to a CUNY college. So question number 5 is, do you see yourself promoting any small business like makeup, hair, and clothing companies? Definitely. You always should start somewhere. Don't just go automatically promoting the big businesses. Start with the little small business so y'all can grow together. Part 2 of that question was, if so, would you give your honest opinion? Of course. I say this because I was once one of those people seeing stuff on Instagram, wanting to try it out. And I would have hated to be lied to and then waste my money on the product, and when I get it, it's nothing like what the person told me it would be like. So definitely you can expect my honest opinion. If I don't like it, I don't like it. Number 6, what's your biggest pet peeve and favorite color? So my favorite color is blue, like a light blue. And then my biggest pet peeve would be something that I do myself, which is people who bite their nails. Which is funny to me because when I don't have tips on, I'm wearing my regular nails and I have a habit of biting them. But when other people do it, it irks me. So after all that blending, it should be very seamless like this. So now we're going in with our True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, medium to dark. PS guys, there is never a time that I'm doing my makeup and my eyes don't water. KK guys, this is everywhere you should have your contour. Alright now guys, so here you just see me spraying some more of the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray on one of my blending brushes, and then I begin to start blending out my contour. Right, so while I'm doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and with the next question, which is, what are 5 items you must have on you at all times? Okay, so 5 items I must have on me at all times are definitely some type of lip moisturizer, most likely Carmax, lotion for your hands, my phone, my keys, that's 4 so far, and money or debit card. Alright guys, that was question number 7. So question number 8 is, who do you watch on YouTube? Okay, so I watch mukbangs, couple channels, makeup tutorials, vlogs, everything. So I have like 5 or 6 that I mainly watch. Steph and Tasha, Aaliyah J. For couples channel, it will be like Gold Juice, Juju and Des. Sean Cook, I recently started watching. And for mukbangers, Sharika B / Eating Pretty. Here you guys just see me going in with the True Complexions contour palette. This is the powder contour, medium to dark as well. First, you'll see me going in with the lighter shade to just highlight, and then I'll be going in with the darker shade to contour. Alright, so while you guys see me just adding the contour and highlight, I'm just going to go ahead and answer question number 9, which is, if you had a chance to speak to one person who's passed, who would it be? So I would definitely have to say my grandmother, which is my mom's mom. I will say her because the stories that my mom tells me about her, I just wish I got the chance to actually like spend time with her and get to know her as a person. She passed away when I turned 1. I did go to her funeral, but I don't really remember anything. I just remember what my mom and my dad told me about it. KK guys, so we're almost done here. We have about 2 more questions left. Yes, 2 more questions. So while you guys watch me just do my eyeshadow, which I use the powder contour, the darkest shade, and I just use that as an eyeshadow. I'm just going to go in with question 10 and 11. So question 10 was, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So 5 years from now, I'll be 24. Okay, so boom. I'm not sure if I'll still be living with my mom. But by that time, I'll definitely have my bachelor's. I'm not 100% sure if I want to continue for my master's or not. It all depends on how sis feeling with school after she get her bachelor's. But yeah, I'll definitely probably have a car. Definitely should have a car, definitely. By then I should also have a lot of clinical slash internship experience with the medical field. Um, yeah. What else would I be doing in about 5 years? I know I'll still be living in New York, so. Alright, so I forgot the last person asked two questions as one. Basically, who are your role models in life? And if you were to move out of New York, where would you move to? So I guess I'll go on with the second question that she asked since it's shorter. But if I was to move out of New York, I would definitely probably move to Atlanta. The support and the growth of black businesses over there is amazing to me. Like, I just love it. The houses and everything is just so beautiful over there. So, yes, definitely. It will definitely be Atlanta. And then to answer her second question, who are your role models in life? Okay, so I have two main role models. One being my mom, and then number two being my big sister. So I'll say my mom because like the way she's so loving and caring, it really is amazing to me. She puts everyone before herself. She never gives up on her children. When I say never, no matter how many times we do things that she don't like, she never gives up on us. Her strength is something I definitely wish to have in the future. And basically just the fact that how she really did it on her own. Ever since she came up from Jamaica, she had my two big sisters, then my third sister, and then me, and then my little sister. So ever since she came up here from Jamaica, she really been doing her thing by herself. And I really, really respect that, and it's just so amazing to me. Like I told you guys, my second role model is my big sister. And the reason why she is one of my role models also is because she reminds me so much of my mom. It's crazy. Like I just love and admire the way she has everything together. Like she had everything together from a young age. She was always responsible. Since she was the oldest sister, she was basically like the mom to us when my mom was at work or whatever. And like just the way she carries herself and everything is just mind-boggling. Alrighty, guys. So if you made it to the end, thank you. Hope you learned something. So that just sums up my question and answer slash everyday makeup video. Hope you guys liked it. Um, this clip at the end I just decided to add. It shows me curling my hair. Nothing major. If you guys want to see a full tutorial on it, let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys. Alright, hold on. I'm back for 1 second. So here I'm just playing around, getting the hair to my liking, wanting the curls to drop a certain way. Alright, bye y'all. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I just decided it's too fast.
Play it back.